Hi guys, right, okay, I've just done an update. Totally cleaned inside and out of this one. I've stripped all of the horrific wiring out, which is over here. In fact, let me get it. It's lots of random things, as you may remember from another video, coming from the slot, the 10p slot, and then going all the way down weirdly to the cherry switch at the back, which is a bit strange. So yeah, tightened it all up. I've fixed the third reel. Not that I can play the machine now. Since taking the mod off, it doesn't work at all. So a bit odd. So, but yes, the reels are level. So I put those leveler. So yeah, they're more in line, which is great. And yeah, that doesn't wobble anymore. Fix that. It's I think it, well, when it was glued on, that third wheel was glued into place on the motor. So it broke off. So just put some. I thought I'd try a few little things. I thought I'd try using the old trusty gaffer tape, which didn't work. It rotated around and then fell off. So yeah, that wasn't working particularly well. So I thought, yeah, it's gonna have to be glued back on again. I was gonna try and flip the reel around because it's the same kind of connection on both sides, but unfortunately the I can't remember what the word it will be, but where it learns where it is, the sensors, the actual pieces of plastic sticking out don't match either side, which is really good. So unfortunately, I thought I won't do that because I'll only balls it up even more. So I've just glued it on into place. It will break off if it needs to, much like it did anyway. But yeah, it looks great. It's still not 100% lighting up, as you can see. 60p works, but that's about it. And then randomly only a few work there. I am going to re-bulb all of this anyway, but I'm not sure if it is the bulbs or if it's that big chunky I don't know what the hell they're called, but the thing that Nick recommended for me to put into my Snappy Viper, it's I don't know what it is. It's a big circular thing like that, and it's what I can gather from what everyone was saying and Nick was saying. It's what powers the lighting. But yeah, so it could be that. But then this is working perfectly okay. That's a bit dull, so I'm assuming that's bulb related too. But yeah, now it doesn't work at all in when you flip the switch. So if I open it up, you'll see it's been tarted up, cleaned completely inside. So if I just do that and zoom in, and if I get a torch on, flash on, there we go, you will see. So a lot tidier, no dust anywhere at all. Completely clean, even the power supply, everything. I mean, that weird colour on there, that's just how it is now through age. But that's what I was on about, that thing there. That's what I'm assuming is for the lighting on this machine. It is on the bar crests, but it might not be on this one, but I'm assuming it could be that's at the Swanee. Don't know. But yeah, the dodgy wiring is gone. I had to rewire the cherry switch. So it was really quite bad. If I show you some of the bits I've chopped off, it was pretty awful. But that was one piece. But it was, there we go. That was one piece with all the wire exposed and stuff, and then other bits further along. So I had to chop all that off. But a lot of it was all sort of bare wires and stuff. It was very odd. So anyway, stripped it all back and then added some new spade connectors. It's a bit taut, to say the least, but it does the job. Oh, bit of dust there. The light shows it. But yeah, so done that. So that dodgy wiring has gone. That is the 10p solenoid payout. But I've seen this one over here, as Chris was saying, swap it over. I think what they've done, originally, the actual slot that was in here was on the new 10p, because that is a new 10p tube. It might even be a 20p. Oh, dust. Just seen that. Oh, missed a few pieces. Right, so I'll do all that. So yeah, it fits the new 10p in there perfectly. So I'm just missing the slot to go there. The 10p slot. 20p slots there and the 50p slots here. But as soon as I try and flip to get games. Nothing. Before it worked, but nothing now. If I flip the 20p one, nothing. The only response I get is an alarm with the 50p. That's it. Nothing. So the power supply is all working. It's all lit up and all working fine. So it is all connected. These have all been cleaned again with that solution. And it's all dried out. So not sure why all of a sudden it doesn't, well, it wasn't working particularly well before, but why it's not working at all now, really. Not sure. It's a bit strange, that. That wouldn't be anything to do with it. No, try that again. Try that. That was part hanging out. No, nothing. Very odd. But anyway, yes, definitely tidier inside. It is looking much better. It's a great machine, to be honest with you. I do like it. I'm happy with it, very much so. I just need to get it up and running. Maygay. Look at that. Gosh, 0902. That's pretty old. Missing the, well, of course it's going to be pretty old because it is an old machine. Per se, missing the one. But then the one wasn't introduced, was it till 1994 from O'Reilly? Going from working in Birmingham when it went from 021 to 0121. But anyway, yes, it's definitely looking tidier. So if I turn the flash off and go back out to full size, there we go. Definitely looking nicer, looking great. I've completely polished and cleaned the front, inside, and it's immaculate now inside, to be honest. It really is. You can eat your dinner off it. Looking great. Lovely machine, but not working. Only a minor detail. Anyway, that's a little update of the Cashdrop. So hopefully I'll have another update at some point with it working. I've just, like I say, tarted it up a bit today. This is in progress still, as I'm sure you may have seen in my other video. I've kind of done this on the side to see how it works. It might not work, and if it doesn't, no biggie, because I'll take it off. But I've lobbed a load of filler, and then if you can see that, so that's currently setting at the moment. Not too badly, actually. So yeah, it's setting. So then I'll, if it works out well, then I just channel a little thing along there and then fit that into place. And I probably will glue it then. And then inside I'll definitely, for sure, be putting blocks, drilling to clamp it into place. Because currently the, is it the dowel? The wood, piece of wood is currently going into the that filler, which isn't particularly clever. So yeah, I'll end up doing that as, when that's dried and set. But anyway, it's all work in progress, and that's an update on the two new ones. Cheers for watching, guys.